that's a great experience going back to the park, and it's going to be insanely great again. Let's go. Let's make it right together. Let's go. Come on. Let's go make it right together. All right? That's a great experience. Today we are at the wake park in the Dominican Republic in Punta Cana, Bavaro specifically. This is a great experience. You should definitely give it a try. Watch this video to the end. In the end of this video you are going to have a great surprise. Make sure you watch it to the end. What are you waiting for? Christmas? It's already in the past. Let's go. Let's make it right. Together, we're gonna sit on a special plate, you know, it's special board. It's gonna be seated, and we're gonna go together with you, dude. So it's gonna be fun. Even though you don't know how to stand still, you can, you know, like do activities like when you sit there, and it's easy to start, so you can still enjoy and have fun already, you know, right from the bat. So this is why I strongly recommend that we can go together with you and like just have fun, have like some crazy experience. This is great. Definitely give it a try from like this. They call it kneeboard somehow. So it's like sitting position. You should give it a try first. Then like you need to learn to stand up over there and then practice here. So that's the way. So, this is it. That's the end of the day. Let's go to ride. It's an amazing experience. You should give it a try. You will find the information at our website, everythingpuntacana.com, and of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel, thumbs up, and I hope to see you soon in Punta Cana.